namin sa inyo yung mga laruan namin. Oh, ikaw muna first.
Okay, I have...
Isa lang muna yung papakita mo.
Okay.
Isa lang, dapat isa-isa yan. Isa-isa, oh. Isa-isa yan. Papakita mo yan sa kanilang lahat. Yan, pero isa lang.
Okay, I have a photocards a lot. And I have it. I see it into the shop.
Ako naman, Ella, papakita ko. Hi guys, ito naman ang aking squishy.
And she's a witch. And I'm a farm.
And papakita ko pa sa inyo.
And I have a
ganito.
cards.
Meron,
And I have a like this. But you cannot see it.
meron
because
akong
she's a
ganito. Drink.
And I have a money 7.
Tapos, meron akong ganito na sticker.
And I have some stickers and a tree sticker. For my making prints of water and I'm thinking that and it's finally done.
At ito naman, ang sticker na cats eye.
And
Sticker
we have a
ko.
boga boga.
Boga. Laman yun. Toka boka, hindi boga boga.
Ano to? Boga boga yun.
Toka boka yun, Ella, hindi boga boga.
Siyempre design yan. It's not no cheap.
Lang toka boka. Meron tayong ganito, guys. Pwede kayo magsulat.
Why my mother is so happy yan?
Ito naman, meron akong sticker, DIY na pwede kang gumawa dyan. Tapos, ito pa, mayroon pa akong sticker.
Okay.
Tapos, meron pa akong sticker. Meron pa akong sticker, guys. Yan o. Meron pa tong sticker, guys.
Yes.
Tapos,
and
I have a...
she's a lot.
And I have a squishy like that. Pero bawal ko ilabas. Ayoko eh. I have a money. Naririnig niyo. And I have this photo card. Bye guys!